All right, let's take a look at number 1 on the study guide. Here is a graph of y equals f of x represented by a solid line, and a graph of y equals g of x represented by a dotted line. Which transformation will match, which transformation of f will match it with g? So we're going to go from f to g on this one. So solid to dotted. So it looks like I'm going to do some sort of translation. So let's take a look here. I have to go down and to the right. So I'm going to go down. What is it? 1, down 1, and right 2. So to write my function notation, I'm going to go back and look at my notes on translations. So let's do the vertical one first. This is the reference sheet that I shared with you last week. So outside is true, meaning no opposites. So my vertical part of the transformation was down 1. So that would be -1. That's going to go outside the parentheses, and I'm not going to do the opposite. So that's going to look something like this. It's going to look something like this. -1 outside the parentheses. Okay. The horizontal component was right 2. Okay. So if we go back to our notes, inside lies, so right 2 would normally be +2, but I'm going to do the opposite. So the opposite of +2 is -2, and that's what I'm going to put inside the parentheses. So that is going to look like this. Okay, f of x -2 -1. So the answer to this one is going to be, it looks like C. That's the one that matches with what I wrote. So that is the answer to number 1.